Elcom represent Division Power Engineering. Core business is composed of special universal power sources for supplying interlocking systems, inverters for emergency ventilation, power conditioners for electrical energy quality improvement, and power supplies for electrical motor testing. Line conditioner to ensure quality. Restore nominal low-voltage grid conditions at remote points of consumption or distributed generation, stabilizes output voltage, significantly reduces flickering, improves the qualitative parameters of electricity, outdoor and indoor design for MVA performance. Insufficient grid infrastructure causes voltage drops and fluctuations. There are a number of locations on the LV network where insufficient grid infrastructure causes voltage drops and fluctuations. This restricts small producers from supplying electricity to the grid, as the management of these dispersed sources will limit or interrupt the supply if there is a risk of adverse effects on the grid. In these locations, it is then necessary to reinforce or even reconstruct the entire grid to ensure the power quality. Line conditioning presents a significantly less time-consuming and less costly solution. By including a line conditioner, small-scale generation is also shielded from the influence of the infrastructure, allowing it to be fully utilized when water, sun, wind is available. Improve power quality by restoring 3 and 230 volt and 400 volt nominal grid conditions at the end of weak power lines. Conditioner installation. 1-day install and removal. Highly reliable, fully automatic. Can be used as a permanent solution. Nominal grid conditions restoration. Stable nominal voltage on all faces. Improves phase symmetry. Flicker removed to provide clean voltage. Distributed generation support. Allows reverse energy flow from distributed sources to the grid. Highly reliable. Designed for 24/7 operation. Automatic bypass in case of internal failure. Surge protection. Fully solid state design. No moving parts. Indoor and outdoor versions. Easy installation. Can be used in any location in standard low voltage power distribution grid. Connects in the point of power consumption. Can be used temporarily to improve power quality and removed after reconstruction of the line. Elcom line conditioners applications. Where supplied electricity does not meet in 50,160 standard. EIFS models. Unidirectional power flow for location without distributed power production like PV or wind. Lower cost. EIFS models. Bidirectional power flow for location with distributed power production like PV or wind. Higher cost due to active rectifier. Universal power source is main product of power electronic department as repetitive product, modifiable by the customer requirements. It is exceptional by scalable power values and ability to be supplied by different voltage systems. It is designated to supply interlocking system with high reliability. Universal supply source. Scalable output power 3 to 60 kVA. Independent output for level crossing device. Output voltage for interlocking circuits. Input supply. Distribution network. Railway catenary. Diesel generator. Auxiliary input from PV panels. Backup from batteries. Redundancy N+1 at system level. UNZ provides long-term power supply for important parts of signaling systems with a high backup level. More than 500 devices installed in the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland, Serbia, and now Bulgaria and Hungary. Next important product of our department is static inverter for metro cars emergency ventilation fans. Over 10 years of experience and reliability. More than 2,000 units installed in several countries, for example Venezuela, Germany, Australia, and Czechia. Static inverters powered from 110 volts batteries as power supplies for emergency fans for metro cars. Emergency ventilation power supply from batteries. Industrial grade. 110 volts DC input voltage from battery pack. Key features. Sine wave PWM technology. Soft start for motors, realized by output UF ramp. Output voltage feedback control. Current limitation. Output short circuit protection. Automatic restart after a recovery from fault condition. 150% short time overload for 1 minute operation time counter. Floating contacts for operational status indication. Insulated between input and output PC-based diagnostic and setup.